Okay, we're going to do the guided practice questions. In 1 and 2, count to find the total value. So we're going to count these, and it's we're counting on, right here this is 50 cents, so it shows 50 cents, so plus 25 right there would be 75. So what we need to do now is go and add another 10. That's plus 10. That's 5, and that's 8. So that would be 85 right here. 85 cents. Plus another 5 would be 0 carrying 1, 90 cents. So that's 90 right there. Okay, plus another 5 would be 95 cents. This is 95 cents right here. Okay, plus 1, we don't even have to add, do addition from that. But I'll go ahead and show you how to draw 1 cent. And we have an example of it on the board, and you have one in your book there. That's how you draw 1 cent. So that would be 96 cents. Okay, problem number 2. Problem 2 is a little bit easier. You have $1 there, plus 5, and 5 plus 1 would be 6. So it looks like this. $6. Problem number 3, we're analyzing information. Okay, what coins and bills could be used to show $2.65 two ways? So we got to show it 2 different ways. The quickest way to do it, we'll go ahead and draw it. That's a $1 bill. There's another dollar bill. That's $2. And then we'll do half dollars, or a half dollar. It's 50 cents. Okay, next thing we do is a dime, which is 10 cents, and then we do a nickel, which is 5 cents. And we go and add those up and do a little problem over here. So that's $1 plus $1 plus 50 cents, half dollar, okay, plus a dime, plus a nickel. Okay, when I add that up, 5 plus all the zeros is 5. Okay, 5 and 1 is 6 decimal, and then $2, 2 $1 bills is 2. So that's $2.65. Another way to do it. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Okay, we go ahead and do $1. I go and do 2 half dollars, okay, which will equal $2. I do another half dollar. Okay, I do my dime, and I do my nickel. 5. So if I add that up again, another addition problem, I do another addition problem right over here. So $1 plus half dollar plus half dollar plus half dollar, 50 cents, plus a dime plus a nickel, okay, 5 plus all the zeros is 5. So I got 5, 5, 5, and 1, that's 16. My decimal there, carry my 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. $2.65 again. Okay, number cents. If you have 195 pennies, do you have enough money to buy the toy draft that Greg wanted? Okay, and 195 pennies is the same thing as, because 100 pennies is $1. So $1 and 95 cents, and that's exactly what the draft cost. So yes, you could. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the odd problems with you, and you're going to do the even problems on your own. So we'll go ahead and do number 5. It says in 5 and 6, write the total value in dollars and cents. So I'll go ahead. We have a $5 bill, $5 bill, a $1 bill, half dollar, quarter, dime, nickel, and a penny. I'll go ahead and just add it up over here on this side. So number 5, sorry. Get my writing utensil again. So that would be $5 plus $1 plus 50 cents plus 25 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents plus 1 cent. Okay, add all that up. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. Carry my 1. Okay, I have 1, 2, 5, and another 1. 5 and 2 is 7. That's 8, 9. So 9. Okay, and then 5 and 1 is 6. So that is $6.91. Okay, number 6, you're going to do that one on your own. Okay, and it's written in word form, so you need to figure out what a dollar bill, 2 half dollars, 1 quarter, 4 dimes, and 4 nickels is, and you have your little chart that we put inside our composition book, so you can see how to do that. Let's go ahead and look at the next page. Turn the page over. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, see if that works. And it doesn't. Let me make it smaller. Okay. Number sense. We're going to do 7 together. Okay, order the numbers from greatest to least, and then tell which number is between 44,866 and 45,626. Let me go ahead and make that bigger since I've had a chance to read it. And we have our 4 numbers right there. I'm doing it like this. Okay, so order the numbers from greatest to least. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to order all 5 of those numbers from greatest to least. And that way, the numbers that fall in between 44,866 and 45,626 will be the number that's in between them. So I'm going to start in my 10,000s place. Looks like I have all 4s there. So I can't decide which is larger from that, so I'll go ahead and look at my thousands place. I have a 5 here, I have a 4 here, I have a 5 here, and I have a 4 there, and I have a 5 here. So I figure out which is the largest between. I'm going to compare the ones that have 5 in the thousands place. So I have to go to the hundreds place on those. I have a 6 here, I have a 9 here, and I have a 6 here. So what I'm going to go ahead and have to do is, well, first I figure out which is the largest. The largest is going to be the one with the 9 in the hundreds place. So that is, actually let me do it. Yeah, I'll do that. So that's 45,927. So that's my largest number. I'll go ahead and cross that out. I don't need to work with that anymore. Now I'll figure out what my next largest number is. Okay, my next largest number, I have a 6 here, and I have a 6 here, so I need to go to the tens place. I have a 2 here, and I have a 2 here, and I go to the ones, or the ones place. I have a 7 here and a 6 here. So that means slash there. That 45,627 is my next largest number. Okay, and automatically this number right here is going to be my next largest, which is 45,626. So I don't need to use this number or this number anymore. We got those out of the way. So I'm going to tell what my next largest number is. My next largest number, I have 4s. I'm going back to the thousands place, and I have 4s in both the thousands place. So I'm going to go to the hundreds place. I have an 8 right there. I have an 8 right there. That's the same. I have a 6 right there. And I have a 6 right there. That's the same. So I gotta go to the ones place, I have a 7 there and a 6 there. So the one with the 7 is the next largest, which is 44,867, and the next one is 44,666. So those are all 5 numbers in order. It is asking what number is between this number and this number. And it looks like this is going to be the number that's in between those 2 numbers. So that's how we do number 7. That was a little bit confusing. Another way we could do that, we could also put it on number line, and it helped. We had a little bit more space to write to. Question number 8. Okay, Bobby has 3 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. What coin does he need to make $1? So you need to add up all those coins and see what other coin you need to add to it to make $1. Okay, let's go ahead and look at question number 9 now. Question number 9. It says, use the table to answer the question. If you were using quarters only, how many quarters would you need for a child's movie ticket? So when you go over our graph to figure out how much a child's movie ticket is, so child's movie ticket, that's going to be $2.50. So we need to know how many quarters it takes to make $2.50. Probably the easiest way, we're going to try the Harry money way, the way we learned to count Harry money, and we'll go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to draw our quarters. Okay, and on a quarter that has 5 hairs. Okay, so I just count by 5s until I get to 250. Let's see how good we are counting by 5s. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, back to my pen here, that's what happened, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 195, 200, okay, 205, 210, 215, 220, 225, 230, 245. Okay, go back here. I messed up. 205, 210, 215, 220, 225, 230, 235, 240, 245, 250. So it ends up, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 quarters to make $2.50. So it's 10 quarters. Or another way to do it, if you're really good with money, you know it takes 4 quarters to make $1. So we go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4 makes $1. 1, 2, 3, 4 makes another $1, and 2 more to make 50 cents. And you can see that's 10 quarters. Okay, problem number 10. You're going to do on your own. I'll go read it for you though. It says Tyler has 5 coins worth 65 cents. All the coins are either quarters or dimes. How many of each coin does he have? So what you need to do is go ahead and count how much money that is right there. Okay, and you can see they're all using quarters and dimes. You need to figure out how much each one of those are, and only one of them should equal 65 cents. If you get more than one that equals 65 cents, you need to re-add those coins together. Question number 11. Okay, personal financial literacy. Okay, Sachi, or we'll just put another name in there since it's a little bit unusual. It says Bobby saves $5 each week for 8 weeks. How much does Sachi save? Explain how you found your answer. $5 for 8 weeks. A lot of different ways you can do that. We'll go ahead and just draw 8 $5 bills. All $5 bills. Okay, and skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. He would have saved $40 in 8 weeks. Okay, question 12, extend your thinking. Looking at page 46, Kasha says Greg needs 5 more coins to have enough to buy the toy draft. Okay, Rennie says he needs only 1 more coin. Explain who is correct. So go ahead and figure out how much money. It looks like he had, if I remember correctly, had $1.90 and the draft costs $1.95. So you need to go ahead and look back there and explain who's correct. There's more than one answer for that. Okay, 13, extend your thinking. We're going to do that one together. It says, show 2 ways to make $2.62. Draw rectangles with numbers to represent bills. Draw circles with numbers to represent coins. And we'll do that really quick on this one. Okay, so $2, and it wants us to show it 2 ways. So we'll do it 2 different ways. First way I'm going to do it, I'm going to $2 bills. Okay, I'm going to do a 50-cent piece. Okay, and then I'll do a dime. And I will do 2 pennies. That's $1, $2, $2.50, $2.60, $61, $62. Okay, another way to do it. We could do $1. 2 $half will make.
Dad, I want to color now.
Okay, we'll make another $1, so that's $2. Another 50-cent piece, we'll make 50. A dime, we'll make 60, and then 2 pennies. And that's another way of making $2.62.